Discuss about some more definitions are there. One definition previous class discuss about injection or one function. What is the injection? Different elements have a different images is called a injection. Now discuss about surjection. Surjection. A function, listen, a function f of a to b is called a function f of a to b is a function, is a function. If is a surjection, is a surjection, is a surjection if range are equals to codomain, if range are equals to codomain is called a surjection, is called a surjection. F of a to b is a surjection if range are equals to codomain, then it is called a surjection, if f of a to b surjection if and only if f of a range are equals to codomain b, f of a equal to b, then it is called a range. Give an example. If a equals to set of 1 2 3, b is equals to set of a comma b. So mapping from a to b, f a to b, 1 2 3 a comma b, image of 1 a, image of 2 a, image of 3 b. So range f of a, image of a 1 a, image of 2 a, same element, do not write, image of 3 b, set of a comma b is equals to b, f of a equal to b, therefore f is surjection, okay, understood? Range are equals to codomain, a function f of a to b a bijection if both injection and surjection is called a bijection, a function f of a to b be a bijection if both injection and surjection is called a bijection, both injection and surjection is called a bijection, then it is called a bijection. Give an example. If a equal to 1 2 3, b equal to a b c, A, B, F from A to B, 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, image of 1A, image of 2B, image of 3C. Different elements have a different images. Different elements have a different images, that is equals to injection. Range f of 1 equals to A, f of 2 equals to B, f of 3 equals to C. Range R equals to codomain. Range f of A equals to set of one image A, image of 2 B, image of 3 C equals to B. Range R equals to B, and B means codomain. So it is also surjection. Injection means different elements have different images. Different elements have different images. Then it is called a bijection. Then it is called a bijection. Equality of functions. Equality of functions. Equality of functions. Equality of functions. So equality of functions, if f and g are two functions are equal, if domain of f equal to domain of G, then f equals to G. So listen, f of A to B, G of A to C are two functions. So domain of f A, domain of G A, then f equals to G. F comma G have same domain. Then it is called a equality of functions. Next definition. Next one, constant function. Constant function means, so a function f of A to B be a constant function. If range has only one element, is called a constant function. Range has only one element, then it is called a constant function if and only if f of x equals to c. Okay, f of x equals to c. So example, A, B implies f 1, 2, 3 x, y, z, image of 1 y, image of 2 y, image of 3 y. So range f of A equals to set of 1 y, range has only one element, then it is called a constant function. Constant function means range has only one element, then it is called a constant function. Equality of functions means two functions have same domain, then it is called these functions are equal. These functions are equal. Constant function means range has only one element.